All right, insight 229. The time when you're most vulnerable is when your attention is not controlled. It is often in times of play, rest and relaxation, exploration and fun that you are caught off guard. Often when you engage in fun, you abandon critical thinking, generally because you were overburdened by work, stress, or other matters, or some other matter. Therefore, you must not be overstressed or overburdened in work or in any activity. Rather, you must start, do, and end all activities in a balanced way. So, primarily, I would say be aware that when you're relaxing, you are generally in a state of releasing your mind, and you're quite vulnerable to influences. So you need to be aware of this. When you're exploring, when you're having fun, similar situation. You're off guard. You're not guarding yourself when you're having fun. You're having fun, So you need to be aware that in this state of fun, exploration, or relaxation, that you're susceptible, and you need to be aware of this. So that's kind of a guard as well, and yeah, don't let your guard down. Have fun, but also have this one guard still available, knowing that, hey, in other words, be aware that in this state of fun, you want to be aware not to be influenced as well by negative influences. So, like overwork. If you work too much and you come home, your mind is stressed. You can't think clearly. You want to abandon thinking. That's what you do. You abandon thinking because you work so much. Thinking, causes a bit of stress in your mind. So you need to be aware. I remember I had this app, and it showed how much the brain uses energy, and it said 20% of the energy is used by the brain. That's a lot, 20%. So thinking causes a lot of stress, causes a lot of energy. Anyway, so if you're working a lot, stressed, mental and physically, you're tired, want to go home and rest and just be and get involved in some pleasurable activities of being yourself. Watching television or whatever it is that you do it to enjoy. You're in that mind set of just not thinking, just having fun and being. And in that state, you want to be aware that you are able to be easily influenced and not totally let your guard down. And the way to overcome that is by not killing yourself at work. In other words, don't be so hardworking to overburden yourself. This is robbing yourself of your life. This is not good. You want to do work in a moderate way. If you try it, you'll see you'll be able to do it. This is also in any activity. Any activity, if you just do too much of it, you put you in a state of imbalance, and then you want to relax, and you let your guard down from your mind because you're not thinking, and you're able to be influenced. Just know that this is how it is, and you learn to not work so much. It's so hard, and also you'll learn to guard yourself and not be totally off guard when you're relaxing.